Hey, Michelle, this is Akhenaton once again. I ran out of space on the last message. I'm just so elated and so happy. Man, I don't know. I'm just thanking God and just thanking everybody. God, I can't believe it, man. Ah, man, this is great. It's a great day to be sober, a great day to have a clear mind, man. A great day to have good friends like you. And, man, man, I can't tell nothing, man. This is just unbelievable. Man, I just hope other people can get this opportunity that have my same or similar type background if they do the work like I do. Everyone deserves a chance. Every man, every woman, white, black, Mexican, Indian, it doesn't matter. Just every human being deserves an opportunity to prove themselves. And thank you for letting me prove myself, and I won't let myself down, you or Claire House, and none of the staff. Man, I don't know what to say, man. I'm just so happy. Just thank you.